Ever found yourself standing in front of the mirror, pulling at your hair and wondering, why doesn't it grow faster? We've all been there, haven't we? The battle with hair woes seems to be a universal one. Hair fall that makes your heart drop, slow growth that tests your patience, dryness that makes you cringe, and lack of shine that dulls your spirit. These are common problems that many of us face, and often we find ourselves lost, navigating the sea of commercial hair products promising miracles. But what if the solution to these problems was closer than we think, right in our kitchen cabinets? Natural remedies have been around for centuries, and they may just hold the answers we seek. So, if you've been searching for a solution, and if you've been nodding along, it's time to turn to our kitchen cabinets for a solution. Have you ever heard of flax seeds gel? Flax seeds, the tiny nutty seeds, are a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your hair health. These unassuming seeds are a hidden hair care hero, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, dietary fiber, and protein. And what does this mean for your hair? Plenty. Omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds nourish the hair follicles, promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. They also help maintain a healthy scalp, preventing dandruff and dryness. The dietary fiber keeps your hair strong and healthy, reducing the risk of breakage. The protein content, on the other hand, fortifies your hair, making it resilient and lustrous. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also an excellent source of B vitamins, which are essential for hair health. They add shine to your hair and maintain its natural color. And let's not forget the hydration. Flax seeds are a natural humectant, meaning they lock moisture into your hair, keeping it hydrated and preventing frizz. Now that we know how wonderful flax seeds are, how about we get down to creating our very own flax seeds gel? So, the first thing we need to do is gather our ingredients. All we need are flax seeds and water. Simple, right? Well, let's not delay any further and dive straight into the making of the flax seeds gel. Now, the first step is to boil some water. You'll need about 2 cups of water for every quarter cup of flax seeds. Remember, the key here is patience. We want to ensure that the water reaches a good rolling boil before we introduce the flax seeds. Once the water is boiling, it's time to add the flax seeds. Sprinkle them in slowly, allowing each seed to be enveloped by the boiling water. Now, you might be tempted to rush this step, but trust me, taking your time here will ensure that each and every seed contributes to the gel we're creating. Next, we stir, and we keep stirring. This is not the time to walk away from the stove. We're looking for a gel-like consistency to start forming. It might take a little while, but trust me, it's worth it. You'll notice the water becoming thick and sticky, almost like egg whites. That's your cue that it's time to move on to the next step. Here comes the slightly tricky part. We need to strain the mixture to separate the gel from the flax seeds. Using a strainer or cheesecloth, carefully pour the mixture into a heat-proof bowl. Let gravity do its job and don't rush this step. You'll be left with a thick, gooey gel in the bowl and flax seeds in the strainer. Now, don't just throw away those flax seeds. You can dry them out and use them again. Or better yet, grind them up and use them in your cooking. Waste not, want not, right? And there you have it, your very own homemade flax seeds gel. But how do we use it? Well, stay tuned, because we're about to dive into the application process and reveal how you can get the maximum benefits from this incredible natural product. Having the gel is one thing, but applying it correctly is what really makes the difference. Now that we have our homemade flax seeds gel, it's time to learn how to use it effectively for maximum hair benefits. First off, ensure your hair is clean and detangled. This allows the flax seeds gel to distribute evenly and work its magic on each strand. Start by scooping a small amount of gel with your fingers. Remember, a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. Now let's focus on the scalp first. Why? Because a healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Apply the gel directly onto your scalp section by section, ensuring full coverage. Now, gently massage the gel into your scalp. This not only helps in absorption but also stimulates blood circulation, promoting hair growth. Spend a good few minutes massaging. It's a treat your scalp will thank you for. Next, let's move on to the hair. Take another scoop of the gel and apply it to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the ends. Make sure to cover all your strands evenly. This is important because the gel forms a protective layer around each strand, locking in the moisture and nutrients. For those with curly or wavy hair, scrunch the gel into your curls. This will help define them and reduce frizz. For those with straight hair, simply comb the gel through your hair to ensure even distribution. Once you're done, let your hair air dry naturally. The gel will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and most importantly, healthy. Remember, consistency is key. Make this a part of your regular hair care routine for best results. It may take some time, but your patience will be rewarded with stronger, healthier, and more vibrant hair. With regular use, you'll start seeing the difference in no time. So keep at it, and soon enough you'll be flaunting your gorgeous locks with pride. So there you have it, folks, a simple, natural solution to your hair woes. Harnessing the power of flax seeds, we've crafted a gel that's not only easy to make, but also a joy to use. Its potential benefits are numerous, from promoting hair growth to imparting a lovely shine. Why not take a leap of faith and try your hand at making your own batch? Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember, natural remedies work in harmony with your body, and that takes time. It's all about consistency. Keep applying your homemade flax seeds gel, and soon enough, you might just notice a positive difference. So, are you ready to embark on this natural hair care journey? We hope you are, because we're excited to see where it takes you. Remember, the key to healthy hair is patience and consistency. So why not give flax seeds gel a try? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks.